a, an and the. These three articles pop up in every sentence we read, write or speak. Since they are an integral part of our communication, using them correctly becomes one of the most challenging tasks. However, if we are comfortable with the rules governing their usage, using them correctly becomes a cakewalk. Therefore, in this lesson and the following ones, my job will be to clear all your doubts for once and all so that you can use articles a, an and the correctly and comfortably. Friends, my name is Hemant Singh Rana and you're watching Enliven English, making the language entertaining, lively and functional. So let's get started. Articles a, an and the are determiners which come before a noun and define it as specific or unspecific. A and an are called indefinite articles and placed before a noun which is unspecific and mentioned for the first time in a sentence. The, on the other hand, is called definite article as it comes before a noun which is specific or the reader is aware of. Let's understand this in detail with the help of some examples. A meeting is underway in the conference room. A meeting suggests we are not aware of what kind of meeting it is. Since it's not specific and being mentioned for the first time, we have used article A. The conference room, on the other hand, means we are aware of the place where the meeting is happening, so it is specific. The meeting is being attended by 5 persons. The meeting is now specific as we mentioned it in the previous sentence. Let's see one more example. A girl is looking for a book on law in a library. Article A suggests for us everything is new and unspecific, which hasn't been mentioned before. Now we know about all 3 things. See the next sentence. After searching for long, the girl found the book in the library. All 3 are specific now as we were introduced to them in the previous sentence. I think we are clear on this. When there's something unspecific or being introduced for the first time, we use indefinite article a or an. When there's something specific or already talked about, we use article the. Now the next logical question that arises is how to choose between article a and an. This will depend on the sound the word produces. If a word begins with a vowel sound, we use indefinite article an before it. If it begins with a consonant sound, we use article a. In vowel sounds, the breath flows out through the mouth without being blocked by the teeth, tongue or lips. In other words, there is no audible friction. In case of consonants, the breath flows out through the mouth with restrictions, especially by the closing of lips or the touching of teeth with tongue and so on. The letters representing the vowel sounds are A, E, I, O and U. Let's see some examples. An apple, an ant, an acorn, an apron. Apple and ant have short vowel sound a, whereas acorn and apron a long vowel sound a. An egg, an elephant, an eagle, an event. Egg and elephant had short vowel sound a, whereas eagle and event long vowel sound e. An insect, an intelligent man, an ice cream, an island. The first 2 words had short vowel sound e and the last 2 long vowel sound I. An ostrich, an octopus, an oak tree, an oatmeal. The first 2 words had short vowel sound o and the last 2 o. An umbrella, An underground cave. An untimely decision. Here, the short vowel sound produced is a. One thing we need to remember is not all words beginning with vowel letters produce vowel sounds, and not all words beginning with consonants produce consonant sounds. Therefore, we have to carefully select article a or an before any word depending on its correct pronunciation. Let's understand this with the help of some examples. A university student. A universal truth. A one-man show. While university, universal and one begin with vowel letters U and O, the sound produced is not A and O but U and V, which are consonant sounds. Therefore, article A is used. An hourly job. An honest person. An FBI agent. An MP. In hourly and honest, the letter H is silent and the first sound that comes is A and O, which are vowel sounds. Therefore, article an is used. FBI and MP, which stand for Member of Parliament and Federal Bureau of Investigation, begin with vowel sound A. Therefore, article an is used. So, in order to choose the correct article before any word, we have to go with the sound it begins with, not the letter. Since we are talking about sound, it becomes important to know when to say the and the. Article the is pronounced as the when the word following it begins with a vowel sound, and it's pronounced as the when the word following it begins with a consonant sound. Let's see some examples. The apple. The egg. The ice cream. The orange. The underlying condition. The car show. The playground. The teamwork. The classroom. So friends, that's it in this lesson. I hope you would have got familiar with the basics of articles. Also, you would have learned to use articles on the basis of sounds. If you have any doubt, don't hesitate to share it with me. In the next lesson, we'll continue to learn more about the rules related to the usage of articles. I'll be back with you soon with a new lesson. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Goodbye.